What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So, just a quick little cap on the wheels. I got all of them unboxed. I made sure all the wheel caps were nice and tight. But just wanted to give you guys a close-up of these wheels before they go on the truck. So, this is what they look like. Previous video, I said I said the wrong term. I stated they were knockoffs. They're not knockoffs. They're replicas. So these are replicas of fuel wheels. These are replicas. They are Fuel Covert D696 wheels. To be honest, there is only two things different about the replicas versus the 100% factory fuel wheels. And the cap, it has an embroidered, or not embroidered, embossed emblem. And it doesn't have the F and then fuel. It has just the word fuel, I believe, in the center. And then on one of these spokes, it has embossed in it fuel. That's the only other difference. To be honest, they look good. The lug nuts I have are black. I don't think these are going to work. So these are the lug nuts I have. These were actually meant for Sky before she got wrecked. The 2000 3rd gen. These are going on the 4th gen, like I explained. And these holes are just a little bit smaller than this shank. So the shank actually doesn't go in. So these may need the shankless. Or these may need to be slightly drilled out a little bit wider. Because this shank on the wheel shanks are actually kind of small. But, I mean, everything else seemed perfectly fine. My only worry about getting shankless lug nuts is that this shank's actually supposed to go inside that hole that's a little too small. And it provides 6, 7, about 9 extra threads from here down to here. So I would prefer the shank style. We'll see what discount says tomorrow when we go to get my tires installed on them. They may turn around and say, oh, well, you have plenty of lug nut without the shank. I do not believe so. I believe when I put these wheels on, only this much of the stud was actually sticking through the wheel. And it barely comes out of that hole, barely. So my worry is shorter shanks on the spline lug nuts are going to cause the wheel to only be bolted on by maybe 2 or 3 threads. And that's my worry. But we can figure that out tomorrow. I think they're going to look good on the truck. I really like them. I can't beat $900 versus $3,000. I mean, they're wheels. They don't have to be 100% perfect. They don't even have to be true fuels. They're going to do what I need them to do. They're going to look a little bit better than the weird, bright, aluminum-colored aluminum wheels on the truck now. So just a quick little view for you guys. That's what they look like, all 5 of them. I'm changing all of them, including the spare. So thank you guys so much for checking it out. You guys let me know what you think of these. In my opinion, they're very, very nice replicas. Very, very well made. Beautiful. Beautiful wheels. I showed the whole wheel is beautifully painted. So that's it, guys. Just a quick view before I close the boxes back up, throw them back in the truck, and head out in about 5 hours. So I will see you guys when they're being installed, or I will give you guys an update of what needs to happen for them to be installed if I need, spacers or something else, I'll let you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Let me know what you think in the comments.